I'm Sai Padhe Sawant, currently in MGM University studying MA in Education in the first year. What drew me to the university were many things. One of them was the library, where you have number of books related to education, and now with the new NEP we also have interdisciplinary study and multidisciplinary study. Being an educator earlier, this was my choice where I could actually go in and study teaching methodologies and pedagogy, where the faculties here, we have faculties from Bombay, we have faculties from Aurangabad who are trained very well in the discipline of education. So them coming with their knowledge and me gaining knowledge from them is going to be an immense experience, and I can't wait to start my MA here.
Hi, this is Ranjan Prasad, the student of MA Education. Their dedication to academic excellence, innovative teaching method greatly enhance the student learning experience, preparing the student to become a leader in the field of education.
आपल्या विद्यापीठामध्ये अत्याधुनिक तंत्रज्ञान आणि टेक इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आहे, ज्यामुळे विद्यार्थ्यांना वेगाने प्रगती करण्यास मदत होते आणि आपल्या विद्यापीठातील सर्व प्राध्यापक हे त्यांच्या क्षेत्रातील अतिशय तज्ञ प्राध्यापक आहेत, नामांकित आहेत. त्यामुळे ते आपले अनुभव आणि त्यांच्या शिक्षणाचा खजिना विद्यार्थ्यांना समर्पित करतात.
नमस्कार, मी प्राध्यापिका अनिता लक्ष्मण फुलवाडे. आपल्या MGM विद्यापीठामध्ये मी सहाय्यक प्राध्यापिका शिक्षणशास्त्र विभागामध्ये कार्यरत आहे. आपल्या MGM युनिव्हर्सिटीमध्ये जी फॅकल्टी आहे ती फॅकल्टी विगत 30 ते 35 वर्षांपासून कार्यरत असलेली आहे. विविध क्षेत्रांमध्ये त्यांनी अध्यापन केलेलं आहे आणि आपल्या विद्यापीठामध्ये ते अध्यापनाचं कार्य करत आहे.
Campus boasts cutting-edge facilities that creates conducive environment for holistic learning, from modern classrooms to advanced laboratories, and exceptional resources that enhances our educational journey. At our university, we believe learning by doing.